Yayatma suprasidati. If you want complete satisfaction of the soul, then engage in pleasing Krishna. How many people in India know that? There are 1.4 billion people in India, in this country itself. And we are an international movement, international society. There are around 8 billion people in the world. Okay? How many people know that only by satisfying Krishna we can become happy? How many people know? Perhaps nobody knows. Correct? Almost nobody knows. So can't we think like Prabhupada? I got a clue how to become happy in this life. I got a clue how I want to go back to Godhead. But I do not want to go back alone. I want to take everybody with me.